My dear children, I want to share a quote with you that speaks deeply about what it really means to be a team. We are not a team because we work together. We are a team because we respect, trust, and care for each other. Vala Afshar. Many people think teamwork is just about doing tasks side by side. But true teamwork goes much deeper than that. Real teams are built on respect, trust, and care. Without those, people may work near each other, but they are not truly united. Respect means seeing value in one another, even when someone thinks differently, moves more slowly, or makes mistakes. Trust means believing that others are trying their best and will do what is right, even when you're not watching. Care means looking out for one another, helping when someone is struggling, and celebrating each other's successes instead of competing against them. The Bible teaches this clearly. In 1 Corinthians 12, Paul explains that we are like one body with many parts. Every part matters. The eye cannot say to the hand, "I don't need you." When one part suffers, all suffer. When one part is honored, all rejoice. That is what true teamwork looks like. Not everyone being the same, but everyone being valued. There's a true story from history that shows this kind of teamwork and love in a powerful way. During World War II, a man named Desmond Doss served as a medic in the United States Army. He was a Christian and deeply believed in God's commandment, "You shall not kill." Because of his faith, he refused to carry a weapon or take a life, even in the middle of war. Many people mocked him for this. Some doubted him. Others thought he didn't belong on the battlefield at all. But Desmond believed that God had called him not to destroy life, but to save it. So instead of holding a gun, he carried medical supplies. Instead of fighting enemies, he fought to keep others alive. His courage came not from violence or strength alone, but from compassion, conviction, and trust in God. During the brutal Battle of Okinawa, one of the bloodiest battles of the war, Desmond served as a medic at a place known as Hacksaw Ridge. When enemy fire forced his unit to retreat, many wounded soldiers were left behind. Alone on the battlefield, with bullets flying all around him, Desmond stayed. One by one, he carried wounded men to the edge of a cliff and lowered them down to safety with a rope. Each time, he whispered a simple prayer, "Lord, help me get one more." He did this again and again, saving about 75 soldiers that day, all without carrying a weapon. Many of the same men who once mocked him later said they would never go into battle without him. They learned that true strength doesn't come from force, but from faith, courage, and care for others. This is what real teamwork looks like. It isn't built on fear or power, but on trust, respect, and love. Desmond Doss showed that when one person chooses compassion, it can inspire courage in everyone around them. He proved that even in the darkest moments, people working together, guided by faith and care, can bring hope and life where there seems to be none. Because of his selflessness, dozens of lives were saved. The soldiers around him learned that trust and compassion could hold a team together even in the hardest circumstances. Even in everyday life, you see this truth. A classroom becomes stronger when students help one another. A sports team becomes better when players encourage instead of blame. A family grows closer when members listen, forgive, and support each other. Teams don't fall apart because of hard work. They fall apart when respect and trust disappear. My children, I want you to remember this. Being part of a team is not about being the best, but about bringing out the best in others. When you show kindness, honesty, and care, you help build something stronger than talent alone ever could. So wherever you go, school, friendships, future work, or family, choose to be someone others can trust. Be someone who lifts others up. That is how true teams are formed. And that is how lasting success is built. With all my love, Dad.